Hi! Welcome to Melod's channel, and in today's video, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung saan pwede makakuha ng online jobs. So, hindi lang to para sa mga may experience ha. Pwede din naman to sa mga newbies sa freelancing with little to no experience. I actually get asked via messenger by some of my friends and yung mga dati kong kasama sa call center, sa BPO, saan daw ba pwedeng maghanap ng freelancing jobs? Saan pa pwedeng mag-apply? So, shout out to EJ, Riza, mga Chen. You can share this video with your cousins and sana makatulong sa kanila. Before we start, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel kung meron naman kayong napulot na juicy sa video na to. And I'm sure kahit pa paano meron naman kayong mapupulot. Sa video na to, simulan natin sa mga freelancing platforms. Pero don't limit yourself sa mga sites na to ha, kasi madaming paraan and places online kung saan ka pwede mag-apply. I will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of these freelancing sites. So, let's start na. Okay, so unahin na natin yung pinakasikat na freelancing platform, which is Upwork. You can visit their website. It's upwork.com. And just a short trivia about this freelancing site. It used to be called as Odesk. And Odesk actually merged with Elance din. So yung Odesk and Elance, sila yung dalawang magkasabay nung nagsa-start pa lang ako. So dito ako nakakakuha ng mga clients noon. Dito ako nagsasend ng application, ganon. And then eventually nag-merge sila, naging Odesk, and then naging Upwork. So yun lang, na-share ko lang naman. Okay, going back. So ito yung mga advantages ng paggamit itong freelancing site na to. This freelancing site is well known globally. Since established na freelancing platform sila, you are sure na madaming clients ang nagpo-post ng hiring dyan. Another advantage is that, if not all, most of the clients, meron silang verified payment status. So, yung mga ganong klaseng client ang dapat na una yung hinahanap or ina-applyan. Kasi, meaning, na-verify na ni Upwork yung payment method nila. And also, makikita nyo din kasi dun sa job post mismo, yung short overview about the client. Gaano na katagal siyang nasa Upwork, ilan na yung na-hire niya, magkano na yung na-spend niya. So, at least, may idea na kayo na nagbabayad tong client na to. Meron ding tinatawag na escrow payment protection on fixed rate projects si Upwork. So, let's say for instance, meron kayong agreement ni client na you create a logo for them and then you'll get paid like $20. China-charge ni Upwork si client dyan. So, pag tinakbuhan ka ni client, pwede mo pa rin makuha yung bayad sa'yo basta you're able to show a proof kay Upwork na natapos mo talaga yung job. Okay, so ito naman yung mga ekis para sa akin about Upwork. Ito yung mga disadvantages. Well, madami kang competitors. Kasi nga, sikat na to, so madami ng freelancers dito, mixed of newbies and seasoned freelancers all over the world. So, medyo challenging mag-apply, pero kung magandang presentation mo ng resume mo, at okay ang cover letter mo, or yung proposal mo, it is still worth a try. And then another thing, ang tagal ma-approve ng profile. Need mong i-edit ng napakadaming beses yung profile mo. And then minsan hindi ka pa rin na-approve. And hindi mo alam kung bakit nade-decline ng paulit-ulit or nadi-disapprove yung application mo or yung pag-create mo ng profile. Yung iba, napo-frustrate na, unfortunately, nawawalan na ng gana. So, ang key lang ulit dito is to create a good resume and a portfolio para mapansin ka ng client. Eto, may isa pa, yung fees. Yes, may fees po. Libreng gumawa ng profile pero hindi libre ang lahat. So, sa pag-a-apply, need mo ng connects. So, ano ba yung connects? Well, think of it as a coins. Kailangan mo ng certain number of coins para mag-apply sa trabaho, sa job posting. So, let's say for instance, may pinost si client na he wants a virtual assistant and you need 2 connects para makapag-apply ka sa certain job posting na yon. Well, may free naman, pero iilan-ilan lang yon and it will limit the number of application that you can send kung sa free connects lang tayo aasa. And then, hindi pa doon natatapos yung gastos. May Upwork fees. So, kumbaga, in layman's term, may cut si Upwork sa kinikita mo. Kasi nga naman, you're using their platform, ginagamit mo yung system nila, may cost silang binabayaran, may expenses sila. So, that's understandable. Pero syempre, kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, medyo masakit sa damdamin ng slight yung ganitong fees. Okay, so, punta naman tayo sa pangalawang freelancing platform. Ito yung onlinejobs.ph. Okay, so, visit their website. Again, it's onlinejobs.ph. Yung mga check na bagay para sa akin dito sa freelancing website na to, yung mga advantages, is una, madaling gumawa ng profile dito. No need na mag-antay na ma-approve yung profile mo. Once nakapag-create ka na ng profile mo, you can immediately search for jobs and apply as soon as na-complete mo na yung profile mo. Ito pa isang maganda. No fees. Yes, you heard it right. Walang bayad mag-send ng application. Need mo lang i-increase yung ID score mo. Okay? So, yung ID score mo naman, depende yun sa kung anong mga nilalagay mong information dun sa profile mo sa onlinejobs.ph. May ibang job posting dito na nagre-require ng mas mataas na score. And sa onlinejobs.ph naman, makikita mo naman sa site nila kung paano mo mapapataas yung ID score na yan. So, it will help you and it will guide you kung paano mo i-increase yan para more chances of winning. Isa pa, you can work outside of their platform. Unlike Upwork, pag doon ka na-hire ni client, doon ka din dapat magtrabaho. Yung system nila dapat mong gamitin. And syempre, again, may fees kay Upwork. Pero dito sa onlinejobs.ph, kayo ni client ang bahalang mag-usap paano kanya babayaran, paano yung setup nyo. Okay, so ito naman yung X para sa akin about onlinejobs.ph. Well, since libre nga, walang fees, mas madaming freelancers dito. And again, madami kang kakompetensya. So, gawa ka talaga ng magandang resume and cover letter para mapansin ka. And then another thing, medyo mas risky dito in terms of getting paid. Kasi nga, kung outside of the platform kayo ni client, wala kang guarantee na mababayaran ka. Pero to be safe at hindi masayang yung effort mo, dapat weekly payments ang bayad sa'yo. Para in case you get unlucky talaga, at least hindi ganun kadaming effort at time ang nasayang mo. Tsaka syempre, mag-research ka din about the company. Kung legit yung company, siguradong mababayaran ka na. Yung last naman natin is yung Fiverr. Ito is Fiverr. Okay? So, you can check their website, fiverr.com, and learn about their services, their platform. To be honest, I'm not familiar with this platform and haven't tried it, but based sa research ko, with this one, parang baliktad naman. Ikaw ang magpo-post ng services mo and yung client ang magme-message sa'yo. So, kunwari, ako si client, I need someone to create a logo for my business, pupunta lang ako sa Fiverr and then magsesearch ako doon ng listing. So, kunwari, si freelancer A, nag-post siya. And then nakalagay doon sa post niya is, I can create a simple logo at $10. Fast turnaround time. Yan, mga ganun yung mga pinopost para medyo catchy. And then si freelancer B naman, yung listing niya naman is, I can make a 3D logo completed within the day for $15. So, ako, as a client, mamimili na lang ako sa kanila kung sino yung fit sa requirements ko. I'll add their link sa description below. You can visit their website and learn more about them. So, ulitin ko ha, hindi lang dito sa platform na to kayo pwedeng makahanap ng freelancing jobs. Again, wag mong ilimit yung sarili mo dito. May iba pang websites or may iba pang paraan para makahanap kayo ng online jobs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more freelancing or work from home tips. This is Mel, your virtual assistant aide. See you on my next video and have a nice day.